Hello everybody, it's me, Sati. Welcome to another episode of my craft channel. And our beautiful, beautiful princesses are ready to wear their Christmas dresses. Are you ready to see them in their Christmas dresses? Let's get started. Time for some Christmas sweaters. A big thumbs up! Thumbs up! Princess Anna. Princess Anna is ready in her beautiful sweater with a little snowman. Give her a big thumbs up, friends. It's your turn now, Princess Tiana. Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm waiting for your comments. It's your turn now, Snow White. Beautiful princess is ready in her sweater, her Christmas tree sweater. And now everybody, it's time for you to tell me which one is your favorite. My favorite is... I will tell you when I reply back to your comments. Guys, what else should I make for my princesses this Christmas? Idea! You'll find out soon. Come on, my beautiful princess. Where are you? I'm waiting. Yay! Princess Anna is the first lucky one. let's make a glittery skirt for Anna this Christmas. Some little flowers. Time for her little red Christmas hat. And a little pom-pom. Princess Anna is looking so cute, so adorable. I just love her Christmas dress. Do you like her, friends? Let's see who's the next princess. Come on, my beautiful princess. Where are you? Our beautiful Queen Elsa. Time to make a glittery green skirt for Elsa. A beautiful Christmas skirt for my beautiful Queen Elsa. Which one is your favorite Disney princess, friends? Please let me know. Her beautiful red top. A little black belt. Her cute little hat. Green pom-pom. Beautiful Queen Elsa is ready in her beautiful dress. Come on, my beautiful princess. Where are you? A red and white skirt, so shining. Princess Anna looking so cute in their red dresses. But which one is your favorite, friends? Do you prefer Anna or Princess Tiana? Princess Belle?
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Beautiful. Princess Belle is ready. She's looking so adorable.
Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, everybody. See you soon. A Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to all my beautiful people out there.